In today's video, I will walk you through how to set a stop market order correctly on Deribit. A stop market order works as a conditional trigger. It stays inactive in the system until your selected trigger price is reached. Once that trigger activates, the order immediately converts into a standard market order. Because it becomes a market order when triggered, it prioritizes execution speed over price and will incur taker fees. To begin, open your preferred futures or perpetual trading pair interface. In the Order Entry panel, locate the Order Type drop-down menu. By default, this is usually set to Limit. Click the drop-down and select Stop Market from the available order types. After selecting Stop Market, you will see a different set of order fields. Start by entering the trigger price, also called the stop price. This is the price that activates your order. If you are protecting a long position with a stop loss, set the trigger price below your entry price. If you are protecting a short position with a stop loss, set the trigger price above your entry price. Next, choose the trigger type. The available options usually include last price, mark price, and index price. It is highly recommended to use either index price or mark price as your trigger type. Using last price can sometimes cause your stop loss to activate because of temporary localized price wicks or erratic fills on the Deribit order book. Index price and mark price reflect the broader global market average. Now move to the amount field. Enter the number of contracts or the USD or crypto value that you want to execute once the stop order is triggered. If your goal is to completely close an active position, make sure the amount exactly matches your current position size. When everything is set, click Buy if you are covering a short position or placing a momentum buy stop. Click Sell if you are protecting a long position or placing a momentum breakdown sell stop. A confirmation window will appear showing your trigger settings. Carefully review the trigger logic before confirming the order. For example, check that it matches the intended condition, such as if the index price falls to or below your selected price. A market sell order will be placed for the specified amount. Once you have confirmed the details, submit the order. To verify that your stop market order is active, remember that it will not appear on the active order book or on your chart as a visible maker order. Instead, go to the Trigger Orders or Open Orders tab at the bottom of your Deribit workspace. There, you can confirm that your stop order is active and waiting for the trigger price to be reached. Thank you for watching.